I just got home from work and it's foggy out. It's a little bit cool on a late July morning, 7 a.m. And I just saw this awesome composition, but I got to get out in the water. So I've got my water shoes right here. I got my tripod, got my camera on my back. We're gonna go out and see what kind of shot I can get. The fog is running on the water, so see what it looks like. All right, so we just got down here. Just the way these rocks are sitting and the way the fog is just sitting on the water. I'm gonna get out there in the middle. It's only about 2 or 3 inches deep over here, so I gotta put my water socks on and just go out there. Water's a little bit cold. About 4 to 6 inches deep here. Not bad. But I love these rocks. Look at this. This is my house. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? My house is up right there. And I just love the way these rocks look right here. And a big waterfall that's seasonal is right up there. You can see where it comes in right there. Just love the way the light shines. And the fog lifting up off the water right here, capturing all this. It's really cool looking. So I've captured a few for my HDR. Really like the way that shadow and the fog looks over there. All the contrast. It's really cool. I love this. You gotta be up early in the morning to get this stuff.